Have you ever had a new client walk in the door and they're huge and you're like, yes, finally somebody big enough I can do my barefoot massage on, and then they get on the table and you're like, holy cow, they're really big. I don't have room for my feet on the table. What am I gonna do? Ah! Hey, I'm Mary Claire from the Center for Barefoot Massage, and today our Tuesday Toes-Day tip is going to tell you exactly how to easily take care of that problem, even if you only have a 29 or a 30-inch table. And all it requires is one little tiny thing that you already have, and that is your short stool. It may look like this, it may be rectangular, doesn't matter what size it is, but we're going to show you how to do that with no problem. Okay, so this is our client. We're going to call him Bob. He's made substantially out of pillows and a little bit of adipose tissue perhaps. Anyway, he doesn't have a whole lot of space here on the edge of the table, about 2 inches maybe I would say on each side of the table. So you're going to take your stool, which was at the head of the table, and put it here next to your table. You're going to make sure that it's right next to the table so it doesn't tip. Your pressure is going to go this way, and so it's not going to be unstable at all. I will say that the rectangular stools are a little bit more stable than the round stools are. So we're going to put this somewhere around, somewhere in this area, because I have found that tends to be the best placed and the least amount of space that you have on the table. So one really important thing is you want to remember safety, so you're going to use your strap to get up. So you're going to pull yourself up, place the strap behind your back for safety, and so you can lean back, and now you're in the perfect spot where you can work his hips, you can work his QL, you can work his torso, you can work his shoulders, you can switch feet, you can do some of your longer strokes if you want to, or even go down his leg. So whenever you are ready to switch sides, all you do is get off your stool, step down, walk around, and do the same thing on the opposite side. Make sure you clean your feet or have towels on the floor so you don't worry about getting them dirty. So there's your Tuesday Toes-Day tip for the day. If you want to see any other tips, make sure you just leave a comment right below. Hit the like if that video is useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe. We look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.